Welcome to this analysis from QuantLake, where we focus on investing with logic, not fear. We've all seen this warning, right? It's on practically everything. But does it actually sink in? So, if the past doesn't matter, why are we all so obsessed with it? Well, it's about two powerful mental biases.
Okay, let's break these down. They seem like total opposites, but they're actually two sides of the same coin.
First, the hot hand fallacy. You see a winning streak, and your brain just screams, it's gonna keep going. On the flip side, there's the gambler's fallacy, that gut feeling that a streak just has to end soon. So which one wins out for investors? The surprising answer is both, and they're linked in a really predictable way. It all just depends on how long the good times have been rolling. This is the whole idea behind the hype curve. Check this out. For short to medium runs, investor hype for a winning stock just keeps on climbing. That hype peaks right around 7 quarters. This is the hot hand fallacy at its most powerful moment. But if a winning streak goes on for too long, we start to get suspicious, don't we? Overcoming this emotional roller coaster is tough. The QuantLake platform helps you analyze fundamentals beyond recent trends. Okay, but does this personal feeling really move the entire market? Oh, you bet it does. See, the hot hand fallacy drives momentum up. Then, the gambler's fallacy eventually triggers the reversal. And the market data really backs this up. The longer the hype train runs, the harder the crash is. It means investors chasing that hype are often the ones left holding the bag when things finally turn south. So how do you beat your own brain? Well, just knowing these biases exist is the first huge step. The real key is using a logical framework that helps you filter out all that emotional market noise. And that's our whole approach at QuantLake. We help you focus on fundamentals, not just fleeting fads. Beat bias and stay on track. To learn more about our data-driven, long-term investment strategies, visit us at quantlake.com. So now that you know about the hype curve, think about it. Where else do you see this exact pattern playing out?